Yeah, we're on Monster Quest. And a little bit of raindrops falling. We got the rods out there. We're gonna get something, regardless. It's a beautiful day. Ooh, they are in there. YouTube. And we're so close to 200 subscribers, YouTube. Show some love. Let's like these videos. Let's get 1,000 likes, man. Let's get 10 followers so we could give away these tickets. Let's make it happen. I love y'all. There's a monster in there too, I guarantee it. All love. I'll post if I catch something.